Well, hey, good morning. Just going to go through a couple things that I've picked up here recently. Start off here, some auction stuff. Local live auction. Picked up some naga hide. Do a little repair on the bellows I have. You can see them sitting here in the rafters. There's some holes in the leather, so I just use that naga hide to repair them. The sheets cost me, let's see, $9 for the two of them. So, not a bad price. Blowtorch. We get this all cleaned up. Gonna need a new leather. Doesn't really, I guess it kind of does. Pressurize there, but that was $8. Didn't have one of these, so I got it. These saws I picked up for $7. This one I'll just pedal off. It's this one here. I thought I saw it was marked Stanley. If you can kind of see it there, maybe. Stanley. Pedal that one off. This is the one that I wanted. Just a steel handled one, but it's super rough. It'll just be a wall hanger. But this one is really excited about. It's a Burley Atkins, number 53. I don't even know if you can really see the engraving on there, but with the floral design on the handle, as opposed to the wheat, it's an earlier one. And let's get to some other stuff. This other stuff, there's a ad on Marketplace for some wrenches. He had a picture of several of them. I showed him the ones that I wanted. And for, let's see, this is one of them. I'll do a more of a special on each wrench. These are just some that were odd and I haven't seen before and I was interested in. This one's kind of cool. It's just a monkey wrench with a self-adjusting wheel. And this one's a adjustable pipe wrench. Kind of cool. This one has a patent date, 1888. Then of course I asked him if he has any other stuff and to go through. Picked up another corner brace because mine was missing the guts inside of there. A Tremo wrench. A couple double-ended crescent wrenches. I believe one side was used to loosen and the other side was loose to tighten. Or maybe one side's SAE, one's metric. If you know, let me know. Just another neat little wrench. A Lawson pipe wrench. Nice Dymaloy fencing pliers. Little tiny hand vise. He gave me 2 wooden baseball bats. I got some tongs. These ones aren't stamped as to maker. Flat ones. These ones I don't think were stamped as to maker. Picked these tongues up for, oh heavens, these ones are marked Champion. These are Farrier fire tongs. $10 a piece for these tongs. Power bolt tongs. And a pair of bolt tongs. Probably 3/4 an inch, maybe an inch. They're not stamped. Picked up some hatchets. This one has the mask. It's stamped plum. Stamped plum. You can also see Boy Scouts of America. Roofing hatchet. Don't have one of these. This one's also marked plum. And a hewing hatchet. This one is marked King Cutter. Let me get this cleaned off and we can look at the other items. You see you got a Colombian anvil here. Let's see. This one is 125 pounds. Let's pick it up here. See the face and the edges. It's really good. The horn, good. Really good condition. And that's really nice size too. And the one behind it. It's Peter Wright. 112 pounds. And it too is, base is good, edges are good. That horn there needs a little bit of work, but that's nothing. Paid less than $3 a pound for these guys. So, spend a lot of money, but I got some really good deals. So let me know what's your favorite tool that I found, and which one you want to see a more detailed description of. Thanks for watching. Well, wouldn't you know it, I almost forgot one of the most exciting things. And we'll see if you guys know what this is. Obviously, it's a nail call. It's cast iron. So what this is, you'll know why I'm excited about it. It has some feet on the bottom. I was excited about that piece too. But again, thanks for watching.